So you are holding a cash machine right in your hand. Yes, your phone. People are making a lot of money on social media in Nigeria. You too can do so. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to turn your social media into a cash making machine. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. It's Rita Onoha. I used to think social media was just for fun until I discovered how to make real money from it. Whether you have 100 followers or 100,000 followers, there are strategies you can use to earn millions online, and let's dive into that. Number one is that you are going to pick a money niche. A niche is any field or area of concentration you want to dwell on that makes money. You must pick a niche that makes money. It's not all the niches that make money online. So you must select one that makes money the most. And not all content pays the bill. So focus on a niche like business and entrepreneurship, health and beauty, even fashion, tech or digital skills, lifestyle hacks that solve problems on daily basis. The bigger the problem you solve on social media, the more money you make from it. So pick a niche that will pay you more money and not just the hype. Two on how to make money online is that you are going to build a valuable audience. It is not about having thousands of followers. It is about you having the right audience, having the right followers. So focus on creating content that educates, that entertain, or solve a specific problem. You can use TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Stories to attract this audience, to attract their attention. So they will engage with your audience, and you can also engage with them. And the more you do that, the more you build trust, and easier it will become for you to monetize. So you can make money when people trust, they know you, they trust, and they like you, and you can build up this KPI factor in your social media. Then you can monetize it. For three ways you can make money on the social media is to sell something. Don't just go to social media to cash cruise. Likes and views are not cashes. You need to sell something valuable. Here are three things you can sell on social media. Number one, which is the easiest, is digital products. Digital product comprises of ebooks, courses, templates, and others. So sell digital products on your social media pages. Number two, you can sell physical products. You can sell physical products like wristwatches, hair, wigs, a lot of things I buy today, shoes, hairs, and clothes. I buy it on social media pages. I buy it from vendors that I have followed their page, love what they do, and I patronize them. They take my money because they have given me value for that. So sell something on social media. Number three is that you can render service. It could be your freelancing, it can be consulting, it can be coaching. Make sure you are doing something that can make money for you. Affiliate marketing is also a great option. You can promote other people's products and earn commission. You don't need to create this product by yourself. All you need is to market that particular product of your interest and get paid. In case you want to learn how to do this, there's a link in the description, or click link in my bio to get started. All right. Number four ways you can make money on your social media is you leverage on WhatsApp as your sales office. This is where you close most of your deals. So your WhatsApp is not just for cashing crews. All right. So most sales in Nigeria happen on WhatsApp. Basically, almost all of them. You get in touch with them, they send you a message, you post their delivery date and all of that. So everything happens mostly on your WhatsApp. That is why you must take your WhatsApp very serious. All right. So you use WhatsApp business for your catalog, your auto reply, your auto responder, and also for you to follow up on your prospects. All right. Collect their numbers from your social media and build a community. Bring them to your WhatsApp to build a community. They can now buy from you. Most of them will not buy the first day they come to your DM, but by the time they see your WhatsApp status, see how you communicate, your lifestyle and everything, they will trust you with their money, and at the end they will buy from you. So leverage more on your WhatsApp, because that is where deals are closed. All right. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you are learning something, give this video a thumbs up and follow me for more video. Before we continue, please click on my subscription button. Click it now. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go further to the next ways you can make more money on your social media. Number 5 way is you can make money on social media is what? By using content to drive sales daily. You create content that will attract your buyers. Post valuable content daily. Show behind the scene of your business. Share your customers' review, their testimonies. Do simple how to do videos. Let people learn from you. Don't overthink this content. Consistent builds the trust, and the trust brings in sales. If you are not consistent in your social media page, you post today, the next day you post is in the next 5 days or in the next 1 week or 2 weeks. You are not consistent. Before a buyer will buy from you, they usually take out their time to go through your pages and check out when you posted last. If you decide that those didn't post all the time, they will conclude that you are not a serious person. So make out time that you do your posting on a consistent basis so that they will know you are serious in the business you are doing. So consistent builds trust, and the trust brings in sales. Don't play with that. Number 6 way you can make money on social media is by collaborating and partnership. All right, you collaborate with people, you collaborate with small content creators, with other business owners, with influencers in your niche. This will help you reach out to more audience, a wider audience that will see what you are selling. So it will bring in more customers for you, and you don't need to pay big influencers. Just start with small influencers. They will help build trust, and if the people like that influencers, you don't need to talk too much. I have used influencers to promote my business, and they'll just come. Rita, you post this way, I posted your video, please, I'm interested, I need it now. They'll just pay because the influencer I used was trusted. They loved the person, and with that my sale was so easy. So make sure you collaborate with influencers, with partners in your niche that will make you expand your audience and make more money for yourself. Number 7th way, which is the last, is that you scale with small ads. You know, in online business, you can make money either you can make sales through organic or paid means. So when your business is expanding, why not put more money in advertisements to bring more customers to you? All right. So once you are making small sales, reinvest some of your profit into targeted adverts. Even 5,000, 10,000 Facebook, Instagram, TikTok ad can add and bring more huge return if you do it right. That is why you need to learn how to do digital marketing, learn these basic meta ads. If you don't know how to do it, instead of you to waste your money, need professionals to do it for you. All right. So if you do your promotion right, you get margin, you get huge returns from it. So promote your posts that are already performing well organically. So if you want to do advert, you want to do paid ad, look at your page, look at those posts that we are doing well organically, that you don't pay, TikTok just push it or Facebook just push that post. It is high time, is a plus, is a sign for you to take that post and magnify it through ads. It will bring more sales for you, it will bring more audience for you, and the more people you reach, the more money you make. All right, so that is the 7th ways you can make money, either in social media, either in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Create content on YouTube. YouTube pays, TikTok pays, all these social medias pay you, not just by selling things online. You can monetize your page, they'll be paying you. All right, YouTube pays in dollars once you hit your 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hour. They will pay you for creating content. They run ads on your page, and at the end of the month, they pay you in dollars. You'll be earning high. It's a good side hustle you can do. All right, so I want you to start making millions from social media. Here is a reality check. Making millions from social media doesn't happen overnight. You need to be patient. You need to put in work in the business before it will work for you. Likewise, the social media monetization, you need to put in the work. When you are building your page from scratch, initially you might not get sales, but if you don't give up, you will see results at the end. So you have to be consistent, be patient, and smart about your approach. Look for trendy things that work and focus on growing your influence and the money will follow. Some persons, when they start their social media, they want to start making money now. They say, I'm posting, nobody is liking, nobody is buying from me. It doesn't work like that. It takes time to build. Just like Igbo people that will go and serve their masters for 5, 7 years. It's not that year they settle, then they'll start making money. It takes time for them to build rapport with their new customers and start making money. It applies to social media also. So you need to be patient and put in the smart work that is needed. So if you are ready to start turning your phone into a cash machine and start posting, start selling things and never you give up. If you want me to share full video on how to start affiliate marketing, I think I have a video on that on my page, how you can start affiliate marketing in Nigeria. And also you can go through the video if you're interested, which I know you will. Click the link there, get the course and learn. In that course, you can learn how to monetize your social media also. So it's a detailed course that can teach you how to make money online through your social media, also included. So if you have found this video helpful, why not click on that subscription button now, like this video and share with 5 of your friends that will also benefit from this. So till I call you away the next time, do have a good evening depending on the time you're watching this video. I love you. See you next in my video. Bye for now.